Have you ever been on a long road trip and found yourself getting tired of constantly having to adjust your speed to keep up with traffic? Well, what if I told you that there's a technology that can do that for you? Meet Adaptive Cruise Control. Adaptive Cruise Control is a feature that uses radar sensors to detect the speed of the car in front of you. It then automatically adjusts your car's speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. This means that you can relax and let the technology take care of the driving. No more constantly adjusting your speed or worrying about getting too close to the car in front of you. Adaptive Cruise Control also makes merging onto busy highways easier. It detects the speed of other vehicles on the highway and adjusts your car's speed accordingly, making merging safer and less stressful. And if you're driving on a curvy road, Adaptive Cruise Control can even adjust your speed to help you stay in your lane and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. And when you come to a stop at a traffic light or in heavy traffic, Adaptive Cruise Control can bring your car to a complete stop and then resume driving when traffic clears. With Adaptive Cruise Control, you can enjoy a more comfortable and relaxing driving experience, while also staying safe on the road.